Hello viewers, welcome back to Sid the Geek. In this video, we will show you how to update the BIOS on any Maxsun motherboard. Make sure to subscribe. Before we begin, let's prepare a checklist of the necessary items. First, identify your motherboard's manufacturer and model. Next, download the BIOS update file and create a bootable USB drive. Ensure a stable power source. And lastly, a bit of patience and time. To identify your motherboard, type system information in the search bar and look for the baseboard manufacturer and model. Alternatively, check the details on the motherboard box if you have it. You can also find complete information in Device Manager under the Computer section. In this step, we'll disable write protection to update the BIOS. First, restart your PC and press Delete to enter the BIOS setup. Navigate to Startup tab. Locate Flash Write Protect and set it to disabled. Following the manufacturer's instructions, remove disk drives by disabling the SATA ports. Go to Advanced tab and disable the relevant SATA ports for your SSD. Finally, go to the Exit tab. Select Save Changes and Reset, and exit the setup. Next, we'll download the BIOS update file. Visit maxsun.com and go to the Download Center under the Support tab. Select motherboard from the product list and choose your chipset brand. For example, we're using an AMD motherboard with a B600 chipset and the B650 Wi-Fi Challenger model. Once you've selected your model, the latest BIOS update will appear. Click the download button to begin the download. In this step, we'll prepare a bootable USB drive. You can use a USB drive of any capacity and format using either this PC from File Explorer or Windows Disk Management software, but ensure you format it to FAT32. Failure to do so will make the USB unbootable. Once formatted, go to the download folder and open the BIOS update zip file. Extract the EFI folder to the root of your prepared USB drive. Ensure the folder structure is correct, otherwise the USB won't boot. That's it, our USB is up and ready. Now we will shut down the computer and remove our NVMe SSD before starting the update process. After removing the SSD and powering on your PC, it will boot directly into the BIOS setup. Take this opportunity to confirm that Write Protect is correctly disabled. Once verified, exit the setup. Press F11 repeatedly to open the boot device menu. Select your USB drive and press Enter. After a few seconds, the update process will begin automatically. From this point on, ensure you do not power off or interrupt the process, because unlike Gigabyte, Asus and MSI, this motherboard lacks a backup BIOS, meaning interruptions could render it non-functional. Take all necessary precautions to avoid any risks. After a few minutes, you'll see a process completed message. At this point, unplug the USB drive from your PC and press Ctrl-Alt-Delete to reboot into the updated BIOS setup. If you don't remove the USB, the update process will restart. You can see the BIOS on our Maxsun motherboard has been successfully updated to the latest version. You can verify this by checking the module version and build date. Additionally, the SATA ports and firmware write protect settings have been automatically restored to their original state, so you don't need to reconfigure them manually. If needed, you can always use the load default settings option and and save changes on exit. At this point, you can reinstall your NVMe M2 SSD if applicable. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.